Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam, question number 82 in Alternative Energy Demystified, 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, you will find this question on page 329. We're talking here about an impoundment type hydroelectric power plant. What is that made up of? Is it a reservoir and a dam on a river? A chamber to trap turbulent ocean water? A device to contain water from littoral currents? A system to capture wave energy? Or a water turbine in a pipeline next to a fast-moving stream? Well, the correct answer is A. It's a reservoir, it consists of a reservoir and a dam on a river, and along with other components that we'll look at in a minute. That's where the term impoundment gives it away, because when you impound something, you hold it captive as water in a reservoir. You hold it for some reason, you collect it and hold it. Like if they impound your vehicle after you've committed some kind of serious offense against the law, that means that they'll take it and hold it. The same thing with water. Then that water is released through a penstock and water turbine, but the dam holds that water. Just like the sheriff's department might hold your vehicle, the dam holds the water. Hopefully you'll never experience the sheriff's department's bad side. Anyway, the other answers here: chamber to trap turbulent ocean water. Well, that's a wave power system. A device to contain water from littoral currents. Well, you'd never really want to contain that water. You might want to put a water turbine in a littoral current. That means a lateral current going sideways along an ocean shore. You can harness that. Littoral currents can be harnessed for electrical power, a form of hydroelectric power. A system to capture wave energy, well, that would be something along the same lines as B, but it's not an impoundment system. A water turbine in a pipeline next to a fast-moving stream, that is a diversion type system. And that also can be used in a river, but it doesn't generally require a reservoir and a dam. So let's look at a schematic diagram, simple schematic diagram of this impoundment scheme. Here's the dam, the reservoir, like Lake Mead. I remember Lake Mead. I went to the Hoover Dam near Boulder, Nevada. I was looking at properties there way back around the year 1997, 1998, thinking of moving to that area. I decided that the climate wasn't really for me, but I was there in October and I saw Lake Mead and I swam in Lake Mead. It was an amazingly interesting experience. It was like swimming on another planet. Really fascinating thing to do. Anyway, that is a classical example of an impoundment type hydroelectric system. The water then is regulated through this penstock, released in a regulated way through one or more water turbines, then flows back out and continues down the river. The water turbine turns a shaft which turns an electric generator. The transformers convert the electricity to the proper voltage for transmission over the long distances that Hoover Dam in particular supplies a lot of electricity for a lot of people. So that is the correct answer again. This is what an impoundment type system looks like, and the correct answer to this question is choice A.